We have one more presenter, and this is Amanda Chamberlain. She's here to tell us how to get help with implementing course changes that maybe you've thought of today or that you're going to think about in the future. CEI has generously offered to help us as well, but the CCAPS group that is going to be able to help you is Amanda is the new Associate Director of Academic Technology and Design. So welcome, Amanda.
Thank you, Joan. So I'm going to pull my screen up here and get my slides going. So as Joan mentioned, I am the Associate Director for the ATD team. And I know that many of you have worked with us in the past, but I thought I would take some time to review the work that the ATD team does and kind of provide an overview of how we partner and collaborate with you on course development. So the ATD team has various functions, but primarily listed here is the work that we do. So we aid faculty with the development of new online, face-to-face and blended learning courses for all of CCAPS programs. We design new Canvas course sites or redesign sites that need improvement. We provide faculty course support throughout the semester. We consult on new and emerging academic technologies. We create multimedia resources and do webinar hosting for the entire college. And then we do work on faculty training. Our work is really broken down into these key areas. So instructional design first. Our instructional designers work directly with you as faculty, serving as pedagogical and technical experts in the course development process. They really work to help expand and build out your initial design concepts, and then aid in the syllabus process and work to outline course modules and assignments and rubrics. And this applies to new courses and course redesigns. For our course development, we have developers that work specifically on updating our Canvas courses each semester. We pilot tested them, focusing on usability and accessibility. And then they also provide direct support to faculty throughout the course of the semester. And then our media team really focuses on developing media components for courses and supporting academic technology, as I mentioned, and then creating graphics and videos for all of marketing within CCAPS. And then finally, we coordinate directly with programs to ensure that all of the work is tracked and scheduled and accounted for throughout the development process. And that also includes working with bookstores and libraries on coordinating student resources. In addition to all the work that we do for course development, we also have additional areas of focus that we work on, including faculty training. And so the team has developed an online faculty onboarding course. This is an online Canvas course that's required for all new undergraduate faculty, but it's available to all faculty who might need a refresher on using Canvas to teach online. We also have developed the faculty resource site. And this we were really hoping will serve as a go-to resource. It includes tutorials and videos and FAQs that you can reference at any time throughout your course design process. And then recently we started sending out the ATD Highlights newsletter. This comes out a couple of times a semester and includes key dates and tips and tricks for teaching and highlights faculty success stories. And so we really encourage you to open that and read through it once it hits your inbox. And then we also attend Faculty Development Day here. Joan is usually nice enough to allow us to have a session to jump in and do some training, usually around Canvas, but other topics of interest as well. In addition to faculty training, we also the team is really passionate about usability and accessibility and has participated in many research projects over the year and really bring that lens to all the new course development that we work on. And then finally, we are continually networking and collaborating with those across the university to make sure that we are implementing best practices and are being aware of emerging trends and issues within the field. So as I highlighted, we're really here to work with you from the initial course concept all the way through supporting you throughout the semester. And if you have new ideas that you want to implement, we really encourage you first to work with your faculty director, and then they can work with the programs to ensure that everything is submitted to us using this design request form to make sure that it's being tracked and assigned over to us and that we can really begin that partnership and collaboration. But if you have issues that you need assistance on with your current course, or you want to schedule a consultation to discuss new ideas or things that you might want to be doing to your course, then we recommend that you submit the faculty course assistance form. And this will really ensure that we're able to make sure that your question is assigned to the right person on the team and that we can track and respond to you in a timely manner. So with that, I kept it nice and short and sweet. You can feel free to reach out to me with any questions, but otherwise I can take questions now too.
Thank you, Amanda. And I just want to let all the faculty know all of the links that were on Amanda's slides, and actually all the slides that you've seen today, they're all linked on the Canvas site. So you can go back to those slides and click on all the links so that you have access to all those tools that have been generously shared today. Also a reminder that on the Canvas site, there's an evaluation form. We'd really like to know from you how our sessions work today, what kinds of changes would you like to see in future faculty development days, anything you want to share with us that can help us to give you a better program, better and better.